Hello everyone again, I'm riding my bike. You know what? If it's safe where you live to ride a bike and you have the right roads for it, because you don't want anybody to get hit by a car, I swear that riding a bike is the best exercise you could do. Why? Because instead of traveling in a car, and maybe it'll take you 15 minutes on a car, it will take you half an hour on a bike or less. But you know what? You're getting your exercise done while you're riding. So you don't have to make time for the gym. You get your exercise done while you're riding your bike. And also you enjoy beautiful nature. And it's a good way to unwind. You know, when I come home from work in the evening and I ride my bike, it takes my mind away from all the stress from work. And a friend of mine he's over 75 years old. He rides his bike all the time. He's in such a good shape. You know, you look at him and you don't think he's even 60. So I advise everybody, if you could ride a bike, do so. I'm going uphill now, because it's a good way to exercise. Saves you time from going to the gym and all that hassle, and you lose a lot of calories. So good way of losing weight. All right, if you're riding, enjoy your ride. If you don't ride a bike, get into that habit. I highly recommend it. Ciao.